In this video, we are going to show you the 15 gaming technologies that will blow your mind in the future. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Let's start the video. 1. Quantum computing. Quantum figuring has previously tracked down specialty applications today. In the beyond couple of years, increasingly subsidizing has opened up to take quantum circuits into new fields, including imaging, detecting, and estimating. Quantum registering is a unique advantage since it changes the key worldview in how calculation is conveyed into numerous ventures. And in the period of large information, calculation is everything. Ravi Subramanian, Tutor Graphics. Quantum figuring is a progressive, better approach for handling data. As opposed to utilizing pieces, quantum PCs use qubits. This makes them a lot quicker and more remarkable than customary PCs. Quantum PCs can possibly take care of issues that are immovable for old-style PCs. They could likewise be utilized to make new medications, materials, and advances. Gaming will be one of the numerous regions that take advantage of quantum processing, with its capacity to deal with a lot of information and perform complex computations. Quantum processing will empower designers to make more extravagant and more vivid gaming encounters. So in the event that you're searching for awe-inspiring gaming from now on, watch out for quantum figuring. Altering the industry is certain. 2. Devices that balance innovation and privacy. The nature and utilization of information gathered by means of gadgets and its connection to protection have been a focal point of mine, and security has developed in the previous 10 years. The ebb and flow coronavirus emergency is an ideal illustration of our need to adjust exploration, data, and individual security. Our ongoing administrative climate smother advancement and doesn't really safeguard the person. It's a real conundrum. Suggestion: Hilit Medar Alfi, spatially. Forbes Innovation Gathering is a greeting just local area for top-notch CIO, CTOs, and innovation chiefs. Do I qualify? Gadgets that equilibrium, advancement, and protection are significant for some reasons. In the first place, they permit individuals to be more imaginative by furnishing them with a protected spot to test novel thoughts. Second, they assist with safeguarding individual security by guaranteeing that main individuals who need to realize about a specific development will approach it. Third, they help to keep individuals' protection settings steady across various gadgets and stages. Fourth, they can assist individuals with keeping away from data fraud and other internet-based dangers. At last, they can assist with people in control their own information and use it in manners that they feel okay with. So, gadgets that equilibrium, advancement, and protection are fundamental for the two people and organizations in the cutting-edge world. By giving a protected spot to development and safeguarding individuals' security, they help to make a superior future for everybody. 3. Transformer Neutral Network Architecture. The Transformer Neutral Network Architecture has revolutionized natural language processing capabilities. Examples: BERT from Google and GPT-2 from OpenAI since 2017. Transformer networks have dramatically advanced performance on tasks, ranging from speech recognition to answering questions. This technology has helped lower barriers to activities like personalized tutoring and AI-powered customer support. Mike Moniz, Circadence Corporation. 4. WeChat. The WeChat application is colossal in China. Consider WhatsApp, PayPal, Facebook, and LinkedIn across the board. In addition to more, WeChat has an element that permits you to shake your telephone and it will naturally interface you with somebody close by or potentially worldwide, assuming they are shaking their telephone at a similar specific time. William Charles Lee, GQIT. WeChat is a web-based entertainment stage that permits clients to interface with one another and share data. What separates WeChat from different stages is its gaming abilities. WeChat games are intended to be profoundly captivating and intuitive, making them ideal for knocking your socks off from here on out. A portion of the highlights that make WeChat games so energizing incorporate increased reality, computer-generated reality, and 3D gaming. With these state-of-the-art advancements, WeChat games will actually want to completely move you to a different universe. Whether you're investigating an old sanctuary or fighting it out in an intergalactic conflict, WeChat games will allow you to encounter everything in a totally new manner. So assuming you're searching for gaming encounters that will knock your socks off, watch out for WeChat later on. 5. Cloud-based automated UI testing. We've been using Kentanel, a cloud-based UI testing framework based on Robot Framework. Kentanel makes testing easy for technical people, and we can add that to our build automation stack. Unit tests have always had the biggest bang for the buck. Kentanel might displace that. Patrick Emmons, Dragon Spears, Inc. 6. Blockchain security and compliance monitoring. The major uptick in cryptocurrency awareness and interest is 2017, when prices reached historic levels, resulted in the need for blockchain security and compliance monitoring to rapidly evolve. These technologies and tools often work in the background, unknown to many, but are critical in safeguarding blockchain platforms as well as in identifying fraud, anti-money laundering, and compliance issues. Jason Lau, Crypto.com. 7. FIDO 2. Undoubtedly, the most impressive tech that can have an impact on human behavior in cybersecurity is FIDO 2. It's the first solution that makes the most complex authentication technology easy to use from an end-user point of view. Even computer phobes will be delighted with its user experience. If companies don't support it, users should inundate the sites. Support the requests for FIDO 2 logins. Arshad Noor, StrongKey. 8. Auto AI. Most people have heard of AI, but most people don't know about Auto AI, deep learning and reinforcement specifically, and how transformational that has been to the industry. It's game-changing because it democratizes model building to a much broader audience, allowing simple model building and accelerating the pace of AI adoption. Alisa Simpson, Roshberger, Appen. 9. Antimicrobial visible light. While COVID-19 has brought viral infection to the forefront, we often forget about bacterial infections. Overuse of antibiotic results in superbugs, leading to over $2.8 million antibiotic-resistant infections each year in the US alone. A new wave of products using visible blue light as a first-line antimicrobial will help restrict antibiotics used to when they are truly needed. Steve Powell, Hillwork, LLC. 10. Remote condition monitoring. Most people don't know how huge of an impact technologies that allow for remote condition monitoring can have. Sensors that you can secure to equipment can tell a plant manager when the temperature is too high in critical spots where food is stored. Predictive maintenance technologies are changing the workforce and empowering technicians to prevent firefighting activities before they occur. Ryan Chan, Upkeep Maintenance Management. 11. Google's automated phone calls and answering help. Google's automated phone calls and answering help is impressive. Plus, its availability on Android allows the technology to act as a quasi-personal assistant for screening phone calls and basic tasks like setting up meetings, etc. It's not so much for personal use, but it's a game-changer for daily business life. Robert Weisgraber, AX Semantics. 12. Dual-lens cameras. GoPro has dramatically improved its hardware over the past 3 years. The GoPro Max is a cross between an action camera and a 360-degree camera. It is the best of both worlds. The camera offers great image stabilization while giving users the ability to edit point of view through 360-degree capture. Equipment like this gives people the ability to show unique perspectives of their favorite activities. Abhishek Surana Rajendra, Course Hero. 13. Telegram splitting. Telegram splitting is a new radio approach to long-range wireless communication developed by the Fraunhofer Institute, IIS, and standardized by ETSI. With this technology, for the first time, low-power wide-area networks become highly scalable and robust against interference to enable massive-scale IoT deployment and democratized wireless communication in the license-free spectrum. Wolfgang Time, BearTech. 14. Omniscience and next best action prediction. With the advent of machine learning, marketers can now compile and synthesize vast amounts of heterogeneous data from various sources to identify patterns within the customer's demographics and journey quickly. Such data-driven insights are invaluable for designing effective multi-touch attribution models and predicting the next base action strategy that entices customers to make purchases. Christopher Yang, Corporate Travel Management. 15. Color-changing medical tattoos. MIT has been working on medical tattoos that will change color when your body changes. One such tattoo measures glucose levels in diabetics to provide alerts when glucose levels are critically low or critically high. This is a huge game changer for people with ailments that require constant monitoring. In the future, they may just look at their tattoo for a quick health check. Michael Hoyes, Lifecycle Engineering, Inc. That's all for today. So which one of these technologies do you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming amazing and informative videos.